I am in Manchester, one place I'm calling Nice River, you know. So many people come from all over the world where they want to enjoy themselves in Manchester. So today I am in Nice River. So mostly in the week it's not gonna be a busy river, but you know, upon weekend, holidays, a lot of people from all over came to Nice River. So big up on yourself anyone I watch from. Just enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. If you want to know Jamaica, remember me telling you, say, just check out the YouTube channel here, Fire Reid. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, so take a tour of the place. Nice River run through Oxford district, which is 3 miles from Balaclava in St. Elizabeth. About the same distance from Comfort Hall in Manchester and